TLS is go for four-stage engine.
There are two forces acting on a rocket at the moment of liftoff, which include a thrust that pushes the rocket upward by pushing the gases downward. To accelerate even a small payload requires a huge amount of energy that can wreak havoc on the spacecraft and the payload, since the entire process from blastoff to separation creates a series of short, high-intensity shocks and high frequency that can damage the structure of the spacecraft itself, as well as any sensitive equipment, satellites, and other components that are sharing the ride into space. To mitigate the risk of disaster, a testing device was created as a capstone senior project design by two Utah Tech University students, Trevor Butler and Matthew McIntyre, both of whom recently graduated as mechanical engineers and co-developed the testing module that would be repeatable and reliable as a means to catch any potential failures that can lead to disaster.
This one is fully mechanical, so there's a really big spring.
Here's Monty Kennedy, a retired aerospace engineer, who petitioned the space agency for the use of the shock research module ShockSat.
3, 2, 1, fire.
The acquisition is complete.
And at the helm of UTU's Engineering and Science Department is mechanical engineering professor Dr. Scott Skeen, who has overseen the project and has worked closely with Kennedy and the students over the course of the last year. This is Cody Blowers reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.